Students, in this video we are going to discuss the polity part. In polity, political parties is the important lesson. From this lesson, 1 mark questions will come in the examinations. As per the blueprint of the public examination system, 1 mark will be awarded from this lesson in 1 mark category. So let us discuss the 1 mark questions. What is manifesto? A public declaration of policy and aims, especially one issued before an election by a political party or a candidate. In the pictures you can see the BJP manifesto, Congress manifesto, and also AP coalition government Kotami manifesto also here. In this manifesto, the political parties will declare their future programs. ఎన్నికల్లో పోటీ చేసే రాజకీయ పార్టీలు తాము చేయబోయే విధానాలు, అనుసరించబోయేటువంటి విషయాలు, అలాగే అమలు చేయబోయే పథకాల గురించి ఎన్నికల ముందు ఇచ్చేటువంటి ఒక ముద్రిత రూపమైన పుస్తకమే మేనిఫెస్టో. వాట్ ఈజ్ పొలిటికల్ పార్టీ? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. When was the Congress Party founded? It was founded in 1885. Its founder was A.O. Hume, a Britisher. At first, the Congress Party symbol is two bullocks. Later, it has a split and it has divided into Congress I. Then the symbol is hand. India multi-party system. USA dash. USA has bi-party or two-party system. You can see Democratic Party and Republic Party are the two parties in USA. Democratic Party symbol donkey and Republican Party symbol elephant. The present President of America, Donald Trump, belongs to Republican Party. Expand NDA, National Democratic Alliance. The National Democratic Alliance is an Indian political coalition led by Bharatiya Janata Party. It has 39 parties in 2024 general elections. What is UPA? United Progressive Alliance. But UPA is not exists now. In the place of UPA, India Alliance was happened. India means Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. It is headed by Congress Party against BJP-led NDA. How many seats did BJP win in 2019 Lok Sabha elections? 303. Here in this here you can see that the portion is being here. This is the portion won by BJP party. Total 303 seats. Samajwadi Party bicycle, AIDMK dash. సమాజ్వాదీ పార్టీకి సైకిల్ గుర్తు కాగా ఏఐడిఎంకే పార్టీకి ఏమిటి? 2 leaves, 2 ఆకులు. ఏఐడిఎంకే మీన్స్ ఆల్ ఇండియా అన్నా ద్రవిడ మున్నేట్ర కజగం. The founder of AIDMK is MG Ramachandran of Tamil Nadu. Bahujan Samaj Party was founded by. It was founded by Kanshi Ram. Its symbol is elephant. Name 2 regional parties of our state. Telugudesam Party, YSRCP, Yuvajana Shramika Raitu Congress Party and Janasena. These 3 are the regional political parties of Andhra Pradesh. Explain defection. Telugulo దీన్నే పార్టీ ఫిరాయింపు అని అంటారు. Changing party allegiance from the party on which a person got elected టు ఏ డిఫరెంట్ పార్టీ, తాను ఎన్నికైన పార్టీని మోసం చేసి వేరే పార్టీకి వెళ్ళిపోవడాన్ని పార్టీ ఫిరాయింపు అని అంటారు. హూ ఈజ్ ద ప్రజెంట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా? ద్రౌపది ముర్ము. షీ ఈజ్ ద 15th president of India. In this diagram you can see regarding her election stature. In the election she contested with Yashwant Sinha and she won with 6,76,803 votes she got, and she won as the 15th president of India. Please see this figure of her election statistics. Different parties come together to form governments. Dash governments. Different parties come together to form dash governments. Coalition governments. In Andhra Pradesh you can see a coalition of Telugu Desam, BJP and Janasena. The oldest political party in India. Option A, Indian National Congress, B, BSP, C, BJP, D, CPI. The answer is Indian National Congress in 1885. It is the oldest political party in India. Give two examples of national parties. Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress. Telugu Desam Party established in dash year. It was established in 1982. This symbol belongs to which political party? Bharatiya Janata Party. Define partisan. A partisan is a person who is strongly committed to a party group or a faction. Why is one party system is not considered a good democratic system? Because one party system has no democratic option. For example, China has only one party, CCCP. The party name is Communist Party of China, China Communist Party. In that political, but no other political party is there in China. People has to vote for only one party. There is no choice for them. In democracy, we need choices. If there is one party system, there is no choice and there is no democracy also. At what level there are non-party based elections in our country? In panchayats. Which organization does recognize political parties in India? It is Election Commission. You can see the logo of Election Commission here, and the building which is known as the Nirvachan Sadan in Delhi. It is Election Commission. What is an alliance or a front? When several parties in multi-party system join hands for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power, it is known as alliance or front. Give one demerit of multi-party system. Appears very messy and leads to political instability. If there are many parties in a country, the people may confuse to vote. So there is a messy situation is there. For example, see the cartoon here. All the political party leaders are going on their way. When was the Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPIM, formed? It was formed in 1964. Previously, CPI with this symbol, it is split into CPIM, CPI and CPIM. This is the party symbol of CPIM. There is a split in CPI party, and in 1964 CPIM was founded again. Name any two regional parties of West Bengal. Forward Bloc and Trinamool Congress. Their respective symbols are also given here. Name a country that has one party system. It is China, Chinese Communist Party. Who passed an order to reduce influence of money and criminals? Supreme Court. You can see the Supreme Court picture also here. Identify the odd one based on alliance. Janasena, YSRCP, BJP, TDP. YSRCP, because in the alliance Janasena, BJP, TDP are in the alliance, but YSRCP is not in the alliance, so it is the odd one. When did CPI split into two parties? In 1964. Who formed Bharatiya Janasangh? Shyam Prakash Mukherjee. BJP derived from Bharatiya Janasangh. BJP is previously known as Bharatiya Janasangh. It was founded by Shyam Prakash Mukherjee. You can see the symbol difference also there. Bharatiya Janata Party is lotus and Bharatiya Janasangh is a flame. Define the term state party. A party that secures at least 6% of total votes in an election to the Legislative Assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as state party. How much majority in a parliament is required to amend any part of the Indian Constitution? 2/3 majority needed. What is two-party system or bi-party system? Give examples. When there are two major political parties exist in a country, the system is known as two-party system. Example, USA and England. Identify the political party by its symbol. It is All India Trinamool Congress. It is founded by Mamata Banerjee on January 1st, 1998. It is in power in West Bengal since 2011. The party symbol is flowers and grass. Identify the political party by its symbol. It is elephant. It is Bahujan Samaj Party. It is founded in 1984 by Kanshiram. Identify the political party by its symbol. It is Bharatiya Janata Party. It is transformed from Bharatiya Janasangh to Bharatiya Janata Party in 1980. Previously, Bharatiya Janasangh was founded by Shyam Prakash Mukherjee in 1951. It came to power in 1998 as the leader of National Democratic Alliance. It got 303 members in 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Identify the political party by its symbol. Sickle and corn. Communist Party of India. It is formed in 1925. Identify the political party by its symbol. It is hammer and sickle star. It is Communist Party of India, mark its CPIM. It is splitted in 1964 and founded in 1964. Identify the political party by its symbol. It is Indian National Congress. It is founded in 1885. Identify the regional political party by its symbol. It is a clock. National Congress Party, NCP. It is formed in 1999 by a split in Congress Party. Identify the regional political party by its symbol. It is cycle. Samajwadi Party 1992. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Second one, Telugu Desam Party 1982, Andhra Pradesh. Jammu Kashmir National Panthers Party, Jammu and Kashmir. All these three parties have the same symbol, that is cycle. Who was the founder of Telugu Desam Party? Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao, popularly known as NTR. Identify the political party by its symbol. It is a broomstick. It is broom. It is the symbol of Aam Aadmi Party, which was founded in 2012. Identify the regional political party by its symbol. It is a fan symbol. It has two parties have this fan symbol. One is Rashtriya Lok Samanta Party, which was founded in 2013 in UP, and YSRCP in Andhra Pradesh. It was founded in 2011. Yuvajana Shramika Raitu Congress Party. Identify the regional political party by its symbol. It is elephant. Assam Gan Parishad, which is founded in 1985 in Assam. It is a regional party. Its symbol is elephant, and also BSP, the national party BSP also has the symbol of elephant. What is the number of national parties at present? There are 7 national parties as per 2025 data. One is Bharatiya Janata Party, second one Indian National Congress, third one Aam Aadmi Party, fourth one Communist Party of India, fifth one CPIM, sixth one Bahujan Samaj Party, seventh one National People's Party. What are the recent changes in nationalist parties? Recent status, the Aam Aadmi Party is the newest edition, gaining national status in 2023. Last status, in the same review cycle, the election commissioner withdrew national party status from Trinamool Congress, Communist Party of India and National Congress Party. It has included Aam Aadmi Party into Nationalist Party and excluded 3 parties. They are Trinamool Congress, CPI and NCP. What is the criteria to be a national party? A party must meet specific criteria to be recognized as a national party, such as being a state party in at least 4 states or winning a minimum percentage of votes or seats in Lok Sabha or Assembly elections across multiple states. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India at present? Mr. Jnanesh Kumar. He assumed office on February 19, 2025. Who is the Vice President of India? Who is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha? Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan. He is the 15th Vice President of India. He came into office on September 12, 2025. Who is the Prime Minister of India at present? Mr. Narendra Modi. He is the 17th Prime Minister of India. Thank you one and all. Wish you all the best. This is your KSV Krishna Reddy from Best Social Teacher YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Signing off.